Good morning, students. Today we are going for the modern age in Europe. It means industrial revolution. Here, industrial revolution it comes in Europe, basically in England. The term industrial revolution denote all those changes that took place in the field of industry during the second half of the 18th century and the first half of the 19th century. This is the time period. In short, the Industrial Revolution is the name given to a series of change that brought about a transition from production by hand to production by the machine. It means a small scale production to a large scale production, and from handmade goods convert into the machine made goods. That is known as the industrial revolution. Numbers of the demands in the industrial revolution, like here peoples they are demanding, and due to the industrial revolution it's also change in the political, social and economic life of the peoples. Some of the causes that cause for the industrial revolution, like here the industrial revolution began in England and spread to many other countries. Congenial atmosphere is also responsible for the industrial revolution in England. The peoples they have the freedom. Englishmen began to enjoy the freedom of thought and expression. It means it was in this atmosphere that Englishmen thought of new method of production in different field, and the large number of invention made by the British scientists brought about a revolution in the industry in England. Second causes, like here colonial empire. It means England had large colonial empire. From her colonies England could get raw materials at cheaper rate for her factories, and industrial goods growth in England. Availability of natural resources in England, like the iron and coal mines were situated close to each other, and iron was used in making machines. The coal provided cheap fuels. Both these factors help in the development of industrial revolution. Here increase in the demand for goods. This is the time period in England. Demands for the industrial goods. First, the huge profit of expanding trade provided an impetus to discover new ways of increasing her production. Second, Napoleonic wars made the English industries quite active. Availability of the labor is also in England, and the feudal system broke down, and the agrarian revolution preceded the industrial revolution in England. As a result, a large number of the peasants were unemployed in England, and these the peasants they are going to the searching of jobs in industries in England, and number of the industries open in England. Effective transport system is also in England, like a goods transport system is necessary for effective trade and commerce in England. The use of charcoals and the tars enabled the construction of roads in many European countries. And this is the time period like Georg Stephenson designed his first locomotive engine, which was used for hauling coal in the Killingworth colliery. This brought about a revolution in transport. Use of steams like James Watt invented the steam engine, and the discovery of steam was a source of power facilitated the industrial revolution. Large number of the industries can be growth now. Comparative study of the capitalism and the socialism in England. Here, capitalism is also refers as the person who have the money, or a person who is known as the owner. Industrial revolution could not have taken place without the means of carrying on the production by the machines. The owners of the capital become the capitalist, and this economic system was generates and gives power. Capitalist came to be known as the capitalism. It means the owner who have the money, he brought tools, machines, implements and raw material, but also promote further research to develop, improve the machines. In England, the first machine to be developed. The economic potential of using machine like to clothes millions of the peoples from the world to cloth. Its Latin investor gave rise to a new terms called investment, which means acquisition of financial or productive assets with the help of the capital. In capitalist, the means of production such as labor, raw materials, tools and machines are owned and controlled by the private individuals or a group. That is known as the capitalism. And in capitalism, it is easily that the owner is a private person or the individual person.